Hi, I'm Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater, and here we've got one of the first newly redesigned Aquila 32s. You can see first on the platform here, they've completely redone the stern of the boat, plus we've added larger engines, so now with the 300s, it is quieter, smoother, and substantially faster. We've redesigned the boarding platform area to make it much easier to get on and off at the beach. We've got a nice big door here that opens up to a sliding boarding ladder that almost acts as a stairway to get on and off the boat, going well down into the water level. Easy walkway through. Seating on board is completely redesigned as well. On the port side, we've got a large double love seat. Back folds down flat to become a sun pad. Plus we've got a cushion underneath that flips out to fill in this entire area to make it one big lounging area. Starboard side, we've got a single seat that also folds down into a sun pad and again will fill this area. On both sides, we've got cup holders that are easily removable and moved over. Multiple versatility here. To walk through, you can open it up. If you want to close it off to keep the kids or the dogs in, we can move it back forward. Also underneath these, you'll see there's hatches. Both sides open up, tons of storage down there. Also very easy access, stand-up room to all your systems, pumps, batteries, everything very easy. Moving forward, a lot easier to move in and out of your seating. Instead of having on the previous boat the two seats port side seat at the helm. Here, we've also got joystick piloting that has spot lock as well as autopilot integration. On the port side, you've got your cabin. Again, lots of nice sized bed. Also, your control panel is downstairs with your C zone. You can control all the lights on the boat, absolutely everything from right here inside the cabin. On the starboard side, we've got the head. Easy access again. That are very tall down. Very easy to move around, lots of storage. Access to the back of the helm with all of your electronics right here with two large doors. Refrigerator. Yeah, dual armrests that fold down. And one big sun pad. Questions about this boat? 7.5.